Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Huawei watch GT Runner, and in this video I'll be doing an Sp02 test just to test out the blood oxygen saturation levels within my body. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Sp02 and open it up. And then I'm going to go to the Huawei Health application and go to Sp02. So here it is. And then I'm just going to go to note and I'm going to explain what it's all about. So the blood oxygen saturation, Sp02, is the percentage of hemoglobin in the blood that contains oxygen. In other words, the amount of oxygen in the blood. It is a useful natural indicator of the condition of a person's respiratory system. The ideal range is between 95% and 100%, but this can be affected by your physical condition, altitude, and certain illnesses. If your Sp02 level is too low, it could be an indicator of a health risk. Use the data below for reference. So 90% to 100% is good. 70% to 89% is a bit iffy, I would say. And 70% I would be contacting my healthcare worker or my physician. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this option here and turn on automatic Sp02. And then I'm going to put the watch on my wrist. So I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, back again. So the watch is on my wrist. Make sure that the watch is on tight. And then just select Sp02. And then select measure. And just keep still whilst it's measuring. Okay, so I've scored 97%, which is good. So guys, do remember that anything below 70 is an indicator that you might have respiratory issues. Maybe you have a lung problem or something like that. I'm just going to run the test again. So let's measure again. Okay, so I've scored the exact same thing once again, 97%. So my blood oxygen level is okay. So remember, if you get 70% or below, do seek medical advice. Okay, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.